Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for DIY crafts and supply kits on Wix easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first create new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or your website type. DIY crafts supply kits. So let's choose this for example. Now prepare in the dashboard, wait a few seconds. Now enter your store name, type any name you want. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you have or not. Now what would you like to sell? Physical product, dropshipping product, and digital product and services. Where would you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. So design site. If you wanna design your site, click here. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So here, enter your information, your email, your business name, your address, and your phone. And here, if you wanna add a social link, so let's continue. Pick a theme you like. So for example, this. Pick your favorite homepage design and let's continue. So here if you want to add some page to your site, now your site is up and running. So if you want to go more edit your website, so this is the homepage website. If you want to add some elements, click here. So here the first elements you find the text. If you want to edit the size or the shape of the form of the text, the titles and the paragraphs. Now let's move on to the image elements. Here if you're looking for something, if you want to upload image and upload import image. If you're looking for some free Wix image, if you're looking for some free Wix illustrations. So let's move on to the button elements. Here you find the themed buttons, we find the text and icon button, the icon buttons and the image buttons, document buttons and the iTunes buttons, and the last here is the payment buttons. And that's it. You have to add some payment buttons on your homepage website. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip elements. Here is your strip elements. If you want to add some classic features about services, contact, welcome and testimonials and theme. So if you want to add something, just select any one of these. You can add it on your homepage design at any place you want. Let's move on to the decorative elements. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Here find the vector art, the featured icons, animals and nature, the logos and the badges and characters. The last here you find the video box, the video mask and transparent video. Find here the boxes, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the over boxes and the tabs. Now let's move on to the galleries. Here if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or here if you want to show more galleries, so you can just select any one of them and put it on your home page. Now let's move on to the menu and anchor. If you want to add some menus, some themed menus, or some horizontal menus or vertical menus. Now let's move on to the in-page navigation. If you want to edit the anchor and the in-page menu, if you want to add some site search. So now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, and the waiver forms, and the subscribe forms. So you have to add uh, any one of them on your uh, homepage website at any place you want. Here you find the Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps. Also here you find the shots, the Wix shots, and the line button. Now let's move on to the video and the music. Here you find the video elements. If you want to add some single video players, Wix video, video box, video mask, and transparent video. Also here you find the music elements. If you want to add some audio players or Wix music, SoundCloud player, or Spotify player, or iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive. If you want to add some slideshows, the full width slideshows or boxes slideshows, here find the light boxes. Here find the box, the normal boxes, the over boxes, and the tab. And here find the over repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. Here we find the repeaters, the over repeaters, and the blank repeaters. Now let's move on to the embed code. Here you can custom popular embeds if you wanna add some single video players. Here if you wanna edit your audio elements, the SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. Here find the advanced elements, the marketing tools, and the development mode. Here find the animation elements. Now let's move on to the social bars. If you wanna add some social bars, select any social bars. Also you can add some Facebook link or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line. Here find YouTube if you want to add some channels on your homepage website. Now let's move on to the payments. Here you can add the payments button, the payments forms, the pricing plans, and here you can edit the manage your store elements. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site contents, the blog if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. Here if you want to edit your store, the bookings elements, and the related elements, and the pricing plans. Here find the events if you want to create and image and manage events. Here the community elements and your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add some sections, click here, select any section from here you want, and that's it. Now let's move on to the page and menu. So here you can add some site menu or some page you want. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to design your site, so you can customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Now let's move on to the if you want to add some apps. Here if you want to manage your business, and here if you want to upload your media and edit images and videos. You can also, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, here if you want to easily manage your site content. And the last here is marketing and SEO. It's about the Google ads and Google Facebook ads and social media marketing and marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here, publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.